How to clean a washing machine with soda crystals. Soda crystals have a surprising amount of uses around your home, including one all-important area of the home that needs to be cleaned in order to stay effective: your washing machine. Soda crystals are one of the simplest yet most effective ways to truly clean your washing machine. The following is a step-by-step guide that will help you learn how to clean your washing machine with soda crystals both on a regular basis as well as a monthly hard clean for those tough spots. What you'll need. You will need only a few simple things in order to clean your washing machine using soda crystals. For regular cleaning with soda crystals, you will need your regular detergent, liquid or powder, soda crystals, measuring cup. For a hard monthly cleaning with soda crystals, you will need soda crystals, measuring cup, white vinegar. Regular cleaning with soda crystals. Using a small amount of soda crystals with your regular washing can help keep dirt, grime, and odor buildup at bay. It can also help reduce the chances of limescale buildup. Step 1. Prepare a standard load. Prepare a standard load of laundry with the soft water dosage of your regular detergent. Prepare the load as you normally would, meaning put your detergent in its usual place, whether that's in the drum or the washer drawer. Step 2. Add soda crystals. Now it's time to add soda crystals. Use your measuring cup to measure out 25 grams to 75 grams of soda crystals. Use the smallest amount if you have soft water and the largest amount if you have hard water. Step 3. Run your washer. Simply run your washer as you normally would, and that's it. Monthly cleaning with soda crystals. In addition to regular cleaning that will help keep dirt at bay, you can do a monthly cleaning with soda crystals in order to get the hardest gunk and smells out of your washer. For this method, you won't be running your laundry as normal, so keep that in mind. Step 1. Add soda crystals to your washer. Add 500 grams to 750 grams of soda crystals directly into your washer drum. You should use the smaller amount for soft water and the higher amount if you have hard water. Step 2. Run a hot water cycle. Now run a washing cycle using the hot water temperature on your washer. Step 3. Run again if necessary. Once this cycle has run its course, look inside the washer drum. Is it clean and empty? Or do you see black or other gunky bits? If you do, then you need to run another cycle with another round of soda crystals in order to clear everything out. Step 4. Rinse with white vinegar. After you're done, use white vinegar inside the detergent drawer as well as on the washer door seals. This will eliminate fungus, bacteria, and other buildup there. And that's it. With soda crystals, your washer will be cleaner than ever before. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean a toilet with vinegar. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.